Everyone, I thought today for Fact Fluency Talk, I would talk about sevens, multiplying sevens. So sevens can be one of those that are a little intimidating for some students. Some students have them down, no problem. But one of the easiest ways to talk about multiplying with sevens, if you do not have them memorized, is by decomposing that 7 into 5 and 2. So thinking about something times 5 plus something times 2. So I brought out a few of our dots. So it's going to work on 3 times 7. So I know that that is 3 groups of 7. So if we just start placing out our counters, going our 3 and then going into our groups of 7, 6, and scoot my paper over a little bit, 7. So we have one row of 7. Now our second row of 7. And then our last row of 7. Oop, need one more. Sorry about that. So I'm just going to double check. So I have my 3 rows, 1, 2, 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 in each row. So when we talk about decomposing that 7 into 5 and 2, you can see that here with the visual of multiplying 3 times 5 and 3 times 2 by just taking our array and literally sliding over our groups. So we're decomposing it right here. Now I see that I have 3 groups of 5 and 3 groups of 2. It is using that distributive method. So 3 times 5 for 15 and 3 times 2 for 6, and 15 plus 6 we know is 21. So again, using the distributive method in order to be able to see how we decompose 7 into 5 and 2 and then multiply through will help you. So similar problem, we could talk about 6 groups of 7. Now again, if I break that 7 into 5 and 2, so now I can say 6 times 5 equals 30, and 6 times 2 gets 12. So now we have 42. Another way to organize that, we could do 9 times 7. So breaking that up in that 5 and that 2. So now I could say 9 times 5 plus 9 times 2. So we have 45 plus 18. So then if you would like to stack, you can. So thinking about that 45 plus 18. So I know 8 plus 5, 13. Carrying that 1. And now 4, 5, 6 to get me 63. So I know 9 times 7 equals 63. Thanks so much.